My name is Bryce. I work in the Bradford White Product Department. So we're here in Charlotte at the Connect, the PHCC. And this is our AeroTherm Series Heat Pump water heater. Some of the newer additions now is the Bradford White Connect. So that's going to be able to be purchased alongside the heater. You have the Wi-Fi capability now. So that's going to be coupled with the app so that you can control this water heater. Some of the newer features along with that is our Hybrid Plus. So now that we have a temperature sensor on the lower portion of the heater, you're going to be able to use the heat pump as well as one of the elements at the same time. So that's just going to translate to higher efficiencies and then a better uniform energy factor at the end of the day. So that's some of the newer things. And then this is offered in the 50 gallon, 65 and 80 gallon capacities.